and Aaron's downstairs. Because I can't hear sounds.
How did I not hit none of those shots?
What? Nice. Aaron's downstairs. Yeah? No, Aaron's upstairs. Aaron's upstairs.
Ah!
Nice. Go to
I hate you, Alex. I want you to fucking interrogate the last person because he's puss. So pull it. Hey, Aaron. Hey, Aaron. You hear that? Aiden, I killed you.
Well, I don't know why I find this so funny. Aiden made me die whenever he said, and then he ear rapes. No.
No.
Oh my gosh. That was...
Wait, is he Kismet? Is he Kismet? Oh shoot.
He spawned pig in construction room.
Or like if you put your hand at the bottom of it and you hold it, it goes up the tube and goes up to the top.
Bro, leave me alone. I'm playing with my hand boiler. Like, just frick off. Jesus Christ!
Bro, I'm boiling some stuff.
Why are you playing Vigil?
Cause
Why
I
do you
can.
play Vigil? Noob. He's probably using shotgun too. He is. Yeah.
That was
Oh
clean.
my gosh. Turns being on a solo team. How would you hit me?
Cause I'm a god! I feel like
He joins.
they're all... Why you kill me?
I really think I should get it.
So, and then I just go back and screen record. Then I just go back on my phone and screen record the funny
Screen
parts.
retard.
Bro, you're just retorted, bro. I swear. Stop being so retorted. I'm gonna kill you. What the heck? Why? I'm at 20. Heal me. Heal me now. Heal me now. What was the point of that?
He said kill you, bro.
We should do a custom game. What did I do? All I did was like.
I was like, what did he do?
I was the one that did something. Aiden.
I was like, I was the one that did something. Why are you saying his name?
He said,
Aiden,
no.
Before you said that.
Dude, I'm always just a blame. Aiden team kills Braden. Braden goes, Alex.
Your name is.
Dude, look at this. It looks like he tripped. It looked like he tripped. It looked like he tripped.
I injured one. They're all 4 of them are in A. I think it's A bomb. 4 of them are all where I died.
Capcan, I
down.
just saw. I looked at it and.
One's literally down. One's literally.